Hey there, and welcome to a super special explainer. Get ready, because today we're putting on our detective hats to solve a really cool number mystery. Let's jump right in.
So, are you with me? I'm going to need your help to crack this code. We've got clues, a puzzle, and a mission to complete. And here it is, detectives, the case of the missing numbers. Whoa, take a look at this. We've got this sequence, right? But poof, two of the numbers have just vanished. Our job? Figure out what those missing numbers are and finish the pattern.
Okay, a case this tough needs some special gear. We can't just guess. No way. We're going to bust out our super thinking toolkit. Trust me, it's this amazing set of thinking tools that can help us solve pretty much any problem.
So inside this toolkit, we've got count them, six secret weapons. Let's get to know them, because we're going to need every single one to crack this case.
First up, we have decomposition. This sounds fancy, but it's super simple. It's all about taking a giant, kind of scary problem and just chopping it up into smaller, friendlier pieces. Much easier to handle, right?
Next tool, pattern recognition. Okay, now this is a real detective skill. It's all about using our super spy eyes to look at the clues and spot a secret rule or a pattern that just keeps happening over and over again.
And then there's abstraction. This is all about focus. It means we zoom right in on the most important clues and just ignore all the other stuff that might try to distract us. We're only looking for the key info.
All right, tool number 4 is algorithm design. Once we've got our clues, this tool helps us create like a secret recipe or a step-by-step master plan that's going to lead us straight to the answer.
And number 5 is super important. Debugging. You know how every good detective double-checks their work? That's what this is. Debugging is all about looking for tiny mistakes. We call them bugs in our plan and fixing them. That way we know our solution is absolutely perfect.
Last but not least, we have generalization. This is where things get really cool. We take the awesome plan we just made and figure out how we can use it to solve other similar mysteries. It's like turning one little key into a master key that opens tons of doors.
Okay, toolkit is packed and ready to go. Let's grab our first tool. Decomposition. Remember, we're not going to look at the whole giant problem at once. We're going to break it down.
So, instead of getting overwhelmed by those empty boxes, let's just focus on a small piece of the puzzle. The numbers we can actually see. We've got 8,200, then 8,100, and then 8,000. See? That's a much smaller, easier thing to look at.
Okay, now that we've made the problem smaller, it's time to whip out our next tool. Pattern recognition. So let's put on our detective glasses and really look for some clues here.
So, take a look. What's the secret rule here? What's happening between these numbers? To go from 8,200 to 8,100, and then from 8,100 down to 8,000. What do you think is going on each time? Aha! Did you get it? The number is going down by 100 every single time. That's it. We found the pattern. The secret rule is to subtract 100.
Awesome job! Now that we know the secret pattern, we can use our algorithm design tool to build our master plan for filling in those empty boxes.
Okay, here's our step-by-step plan. Listen close. Since we know the numbers go down by 100 as we move to the right, to find the numbers on the left, we just have to do the opposite. We have to add 100. So we'll start at 8,200, add 100 to fill the first box, then do it again for the next one. And finally, we'll double-check the whole thing. All right, team, this is it. The final step. Time to put our plan into action and use our debugging tool to check our work and solve this mystery once and for all. Let's do this. Okay, following our plan, we take 8,200 and we add 100. And that gives us 8,300. Boom! That's our first missing number. Now we take that new number, 8,300, and add 100 again, and we get 8,400. And that fills the second empty box. We did it!
And just look at that. On the left, you see the mystery we started with. And on the right, the completed sequence. It looks perfect! Okay, let's do our final check, our debugging step. Let's read the whole thing. 8,500 minus 100 is 8,400. Minus 100 is 8,300. Yep, it works all the way down. The pattern is perfect. Case closed. And now for our last and maybe most powerful tool, generalization.
This super thinking toolkit we just used, it isn't just for number puzzles. Seriously, you can use these exact same 6 tools to figure out tough homework, to get better at a video game, or even to solve a problem with a friend. So, you are now officially a problem-solving detective, armed with an incredible toolkit for thinking. The only question left is, what mystery are you going to solve next?